YouTube. It's July 3rd. It's 8:30 in the morning. Yesterday, Monday, I worked 17 hours, I guess. Last time I saw the clock, I was going to bed. It was like 1 o'clock. It was a really long day, hot day, and you know, it was one of those days that you use all the condensed coil cleaner you have in your truck. I ended up using almost 3 gallons, so I ran out of condensed coil cleaner. So I got 1 gallon today in my truck. I hope I don't need too much. You know, these humid and hot days are calling always for condensed coil cleaner, you know, because all of them are tripping high pressure switches. So today I got, so far I can see, 4 calls. The first one is a water leak, kind of strange, and the rest of the service calls are all air conditioning related. So I'm gonna try to shoot you a video and show you what I got. Tomorrow's gonna be 4th of July. I have my dad from Argentina. First time I see him in 15 years, long time. And I would like to spend some time with him tomorrow, 4th of July, but I know it's gonna be another nightmare. So I'm gonna tell my family to take him to the fireworks and stuff like that, because I know they're gonna call me, you know, especially in a day like tomorrow. But anyways, let's see how the day goes today, and probably I'm gonna shoot another video tomorrow and get all this together. Alright guys, see you there. Alright, the water leak. The water leak, it was because this air handler was frozen and there is no emergency drain pan, so that's good. Let's see what is happening. They let the system running on the fan overnight, so you can let down the ice. Kind of rusty. Let's go outside and see what we got. Alright, this is my unit. It's not running. I'm assuming they probably disconnect the power. I had a problem with this unit in the past with the capacitor. As you can see, I have to put a booster. In 2011, also I replaced this star capacitor. Yeah, the unit is off. Yeah, you can see the contactor is pulled. So, alright, let's get the gauges and see. I just talked to the guy and he told me that the unit was frozen up. So condenser fan motor is running, the compressor tube. I'm gonna check the contactor, make sure that it's not welded or anything like that, you know. So okay, so we're good over there. Sometimes the contactor get welded and is running all the time. It's not the case today. Alright, I got the system running for about 10 minutes. Condenser fan and compressors are running, no problem. System is R22. The superheat is really high. It's dropping, but it's pretty high. Doesn't drop too much and then come back. So I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes, and I can see already that the system is low. So I'm gonna top it off and see how she does. Right now inside the building it's almost 80 degrees, so it's pretty much hot. So we're gonna touch it up for right now, so at least they have some heat, some cooling, and probably I'm gonna get a request for a leak test when summertime passed. Right, I just charged the system with just 1 pound. I didn't need too much. Already my superheat is dropping. I mean, it's on the 18. The suction pressure is kind of high because the inside this building is a lot of humidity. They have the windows open for a long time. I just got, you know, I was thinking myself, I replaced these two, the capacitor and the booster. If you ask me how long I replaced it, I would say a couple years. But I replaced it in 2011, 7 years ago. God damn it, time is flying. Alright, let me grab my stuff and I'm gonna probably go to my next service call. I'm gonna check the evaporator, make sure that everything is fine. Alright, my second call is also a 5-ton system. It's low on 410A. Filters are clean, blower is fine, condenser fan is fine, the compressor is running. It didn't trip in overload. They just find it frozen last night. They shut the system off. And I get over here and the suction side, it was on 85. It was really low. Going ahead with the charge, I got 3 pounds already in the system. And my suction pressure is 125 with a superheat of 27 and dropping, so it's gonna take a little while. The house is really humid and hot, so I'm gonna finish the charge and see what I got next. Alright, that's the air handler. I'm just checking the discharge temperature. We are in the 50s, actually 50 degrees, so she's dropping pretty much. Alright, go into my next call. See you there. Alright, my previous call, I finished it like an hour ago. It was a water leak on a suction line. The insulation was ripped off, so I just fixed that. This is the other call I have. Probably you guys remember this.
number 2. This one seems to be fine. This is the one that they need to run. I can see that the condenser fan is running. So I need to get from over here my gauges. Is unit number 3. Let's see if we can get some pressure readings and see what is happening. Goddamn hot. Unit 2. $25 over 216. System is low. It's gotta be 22. All right, I gotta believe. All right. Let me see what these people want to do. I don't know if they want to do a leak test or if they just want me just to charge it. But right now, see if I can find the leak first. Let's see what happens. Everything is so freaking hot, you can't even touch it. My customer wants to charge this unit immediately because they have food and they don't want to lose it. So that's what I'm gonna do. The system is really old, so probably lost charge over the years. The system is not well maintained either. My office just sent me another service call. This is far away, probably hour and 40 minutes away from here. What time is it? 3 o'clock already. Basically my day start all over again. 114 degrees. The heat is terrible. God damn it. She's pushing 70 degrees right now. The only thing that I don't like is that the suction line is really high. But superheat is 52 degrees, dropping. And inside this room is pretty hot, probably 80 degrees. Let me tell the guy to shut the windows off and the doors. She's condensing, pushing 68. Superheat is dropping. I feel better now. It's gonna take a little while to drop temperature. Let me push another 8 ounces and see if I can speed it up. All right. They had the unit off for the whole day, so the entire unit is extremely hot. The room is also hot, so it's gonna take a while to drop temperature. Right now my discharge temperature has been dropping. Right now it's 65. It's condensing pretty good. My superheat is on the 40s, but it's dropping, has been dropping constantly. So she's gonna be good in a couple hours. Plus the humidity is insane. The temperature right now on the roof is 115 degrees. So I can't ask for too much. My suction temperature is 71 over 280 on my head side. So she's going in the right direction. It's just about a time right now. All right, let me get my stuff out of here and gonna take a look at my next call. It's gonna be far away, multiple rooftop units down. So I'll see you there. Fuck, man. Fucking blood everywhere now. Trying to open the goddamn door and I had the freaking bar. That one. When I opened it, the bar just fell on my freaking nose. Fucking bullshit. Fuck, man. All because the rush, you know. Rushing is not good. It causes you accidents. Need to cool down. I had the bar like that, and when I opened the door, the bar just fell, and it just fell right in my nose. I need to calm down. So you know, sometimes the heat doesn't let you think straight. If you can see, it hits me really good.
blood on me. That's a good thing. I'm gonna start doing paperwork, and I'm gonna head up to my next call, which is in Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon. I always got problems saying that place. See you there.